Welcome to Tech Tips Pro. In today's video, we'll give you a tour of the Excel interface showing you where to find all the essential tools and features you need to get started. We'll also cover the basics of using Excel for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. By the end, you'll be comfortable with these essential functions and ready to tackle more advanced features. Let's get started and unlock the power of Excel together. This is the main interface we see after opening the Excel file. At the top, we see different tabs like Home, which is shown by default when we open the Excel file, Insert, Page Layout for page settings and printing, Formulas for inserting different options, Data for visualization and data presentation, Review for rechecking and verification, View for page settings and formatting, and Help. Every tab has its own features which can be used in different ways. Below the tab, the area which contains different features is called Ribbon. Each tab has its own ribbon. For example, in Ribbon of Home tab, there are different features available for cut, copy, paste, format painter, text formatting, font selection, coloring, data alignment, font style, font sizing, text wrapping, cell merging, and many more. Moving forward, in the number section, there are options of accounting number format, percentage style, comma style, conditional formatting, and many others which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. In the Ribbon of Insert tab, some advanced features are available like inserting table, inserting pictures, inserting charts of different styles, and many more. At the top, above the tabs, we can see the Quick Access icons. The Quick Access icons can be selected or deselect as per our needs. Now talking about the below area, which is our working area, there are a lot of small boxes available below the tabs and ribbons area. This area is called Spreadsheet area, in which we can perform our work. This one box is called Cell, which contains a value. The horizontal lines with numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. on the left side are called rows. We can select each row by clicking on these numbers. The vertical lines with alphabets like A, B, C, etc. on the top are called columns. We can select each column by clicking on these alphabets. We can also select multiple columns. As you can see, there is small box which is called Name box. This box shows the location of the current cell. We can click on any cell. This name box will show us where our cursor is currently available. This will help us in calculation based on different cells. The alphabet shows the column and the number shows the rows in our spreadsheet area. Downside on the bottom right, we have options of zoom in and zoom out with which we can easily select out view. Furthermore, page layout view and page break preview is also available. These views are used for page formatting and printing purposes. How to perform addition in Excel. In this section, I'll show you a simple trick to add numbers in Excel. First, enter any two numbers, like 5 and 7, in two separate cells. Then, in the cell below, type the equal sign, click on the first cell with the number 5, then put plus, and click on the cell with the number 7. Press Enter, and you'll see the result of the addition. By clicking on the result cell, we can see which cells are added in this result. The best part, if you change either of the numbers, the result will automatically update. Watch how easy it is to do this. How to perform subtraction in Excel. In this session, I'll show you a quick and easy way to subtract numbers in Excel. Start by entering two numbers, like 9 and 4, into separate cells. Next, in the cell below, type the equal sign, click on the cell with 9, then put the minus symbol, and select the cell with 4. Press Enter, and you'll see the result of the subtraction. By clicking on the result cell, we can see which cells are added in this result. See how simple and straightforward it is to do this in Excel. How to perform multiplication in Excel. Start by entering two numbers, like 5 and 7, into separate cells. Next, in the cell below, type the equal sign, click on the cell with 5, then put the star symbol, and select the cell with 7. Press Enter, and you'll see the result of the multiplication. The best part, if you change either of the numbers, the result will automatically update. By clicking on the results cell, we can see which cells are added in this result. Watch how easy it is to do this. How to perform division in Excel. Start by entering two numbers, like 21 and 3, into separate cells. Next, in the cell below, type the equal sign. Click on the cell with 21, then put the division symbol, and select the cell with 3. Press Enter, and you'll see the result of the multiplication. The best part? If you change either of the numbers, the result will automatically update. By clicking on the results cell, we can see which cells are added in this result. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. But before we get into that, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful Excel tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post new content. Now, let's dive into a summary of the key points covered. Today, we explored the basics of the Excel interface and learned how to perform fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. With these skills, you're well on your way to mastering Excel and tackling more complex tasks. Practice these techniques, and you'll soon become an Excel pro.